Lasek. Perform mo muna ako.
Good morning, sir. Meron na kayong special meeting together with the higher manager.
Ha? Teka lang, papunta na ako.
All set up? Yes, ma'am. Okay. All the officers right now, they need to be here ASAP. We have important matters to discuss. Okay, so I guess everybody knows why this meeting is being called. So today we will be discussing about a lot and a big issue in our company. Head of internal audit, I assume you have the answers for our problem, which is the internal audit report. And please give us recommendation during the investigation. So, you may start.
Okay, so good morning, ma'am, and all members of the board, good morning. So, as I provided for how many years, yung kampanya natin ay may magandang progress. And wala masyadong problema, and we have a lot of stockholders na pumapasok to invest. But this year, it's a shocking revelation that our company has decreased in income. And one of the reason of it is the withdrawal of our investor.
So, what's the reason behind all that?
So upon investigation, as internal auditors, we found out that there's a huge discrepancy of account receivable reporting or misappropriations of asset. So we received a Gmail from our employee, a confession on how it happened. Currently, she was blackmailed by the middle manager not to disclose all account receivable or she will be fired from her job. So as you can see, this is the discrepancy of account receivable reporting. So from the XYZ Corporation, they paid $50,000, but the amount recorded on account receivable ledger is only $20,000. And for the ML Corporation, they paid $50,000, and the amount recorded on the account receivable ledger is only $30,000. And from ABC Corporation, they paid $50,000, but the amount recorded in the account receivable ledger is only $15,000. And for the GLP Corporation, they paid $150,000, but the amount recorded in the account receivable ledger is only $50,000, with a total of $185,000.
Saan nga ba napunta ang mga perang dapat ibinayad sa kumpanya?
Malamang, sa bulsa ng ating middle manager for his personal use.
At ito pa, may natanggap akong balita galing sa ating mga employees na kinokolektahan sila ng ating middle manager ng 1,000 each, and for the reason of it is for their insurance. But our company has no rule and regulations about it. Additionally, sa isang taon ganitong pangyayari, fraudulent interruptions of our company, bakit walang solusyon? Why this issue are tolerated? And we found out that isa sa nasa posisyon ang kaalyado ng suspect. These issues are tolerated within a year. Corruption, conflict of interest, and fraudulent or misappropriations of asset.
Okay, I see. Then that's a huge problem. So now the board of the members will decide if the middle manager will be fired or do we give him another chance. Okay, so let's vote. And the majority of the votes will win. So, who's in favor of firing the middle manager? Please raise your right hand. Okay, so I see that majority raised their hand. So, therefore, the middle manager is fired. Secretary, please take note of this and inform the middle manager of what the issue is. And please go to him right now.
So this is all the recommendations of what we have found in your company. So first, to conduct the full reconciliation. Second one is to strengthen internal controls. Third one, to implement disciplinary measures. And the fourth one is to train and monitor our staff.
Okay, thank you for giving me the answers, Mr. Reynald Telmo. Congratulations, that is a job well done. So thank you for your time, stockholders and members. Meeting adjourned. Let's go.
So, guys.
morning, Ms. De La Cruz.
Kasi, mabot tayo.
So, can you explain to me what really happened with the inventory records in December?
Pwede niyo po ba ipaliwanag kung ano ang nangyari sa inventory noong buwan ng Siyempre?
Inutusan po kami ni Mr. Santos na itaas ang mga bill.
According to Ms. De La Cruz, Mr. Santos ordered her to increase the inventory number.
Okay. Thank you, but we'll have to confirm this first.
That confirms what is expected about Mark vague translation.
Okay. Thank you for the clarification, Ms. De La Cruz. You may now leave. Call Mark on your way out, okay?
Maraming salamat po.
Excuse me, but I think this questioning is going a bit too far. Maybe we're just misunderstanding each other. I can clarify things. No need to bring up small inconsistency.
Thank you, Mark. But we'll have to proceed with the official translator to ensure neutrality, okay?
Thanks, but I've got this.
This is going to cause trouble for everyone.
Ano tong ginagawa niyo? Wala namang mali.
Mr. Santos, we're conducting a standard interview. Please, allow us to finish this process.
Mr. Santos, we're just doing our job. Adjustment lang yun. Pati yun ang local practice.
Secretary? We've confirmed that the inventory records were intentionally changed. Instructions came from the financial managers.
Was this confirmed by an independent source?
Yes, Miss Emily. The employee gave a clear answer.
This is qualified as a material misstatement. Thank you, John, for escalating.
We may need to issue a qualified audit opinion or consider disengagement. Lisa, what's your assessment?
There's enough evidence to support that fraud occurred, and it was concealed through translation barriers. The firm support your decision to report this, John. The pressure to understand culture must never override ethics.
Understood. We'll finalize the reports and note all the findings.
Thank you, everyone. Let's set this an example of audit integrity.
Thank you, Miss Emily. You may now leave. Also, please call Agent Cruz in this meeting.
Okay, sir.
December.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Please take a seat, Agent Cruz.
Thank you for including me. We've seen this pattern before, adjusting numbers of impression that hiding behind translation and local practice specification. This time, we will act.
We appreciate that, Agent Cruz, the team took risks to bring this forward. We will cooperate fully.
Well, this case highlights the importance of audit independence and protection for whistleblowers and staff. Our report will name individuals and recommend sanctions.
We couldn't have done this without Miguel, Lisa, and Miss De La Cruz's honesty. I hope this effort leads to actual change.
I agree. Investigators will be sent to Tatanker's local office. We'll also look into possible collusion involving Mr. Santos and internal translator Mike Reyes.
Okay. Thank you everyone for this wonderful meeting. Let's all have a nice day. Meeting adjourned.